Hey.
Hey. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, it's cold. Oh, it's cold. Oh my god. I do not regret getting slimes. The bucket was a great idea. Maybe I picked the wrong t-shirt.
Wrong. Which one?
Oh my god. Oh.
It was hell. There you go.
Dang. Hey, can you give me some more of those? Okay. Alright guys.
Now with Nabisco and Nickelodeon, you can bring slime time.
Alright, so yeah. Oh, that's the end of the video, guys.
I said Five Below. I totally hate you. That's what you get. That's what you did to me. I hate you. I hate you so much. I'm hoping you're not. Okay, I'm sorry. That's how I wanted to do it. Like I was saying, it's C-A-M.
Going to the dunk tank.
We got dunked!
You ready? 3.
Guys, click on this video, you know what's going down.
Okay.
You know what sucks? You know what's crazy?
Hey, look, that's 2
It's my turn.
That's it, man.
What?
So you guys know that Larry.
But almost knocked me out, bro. You like literally slapped me in the face. Oh my god, I can't see. Can you get me something I can't see? Why do you have to do it so hard? I don't get it.
I'm sorry.
I swear my nose is gonna be broken after this challenge.
Accept that challenge.
It's a lot.
It tastes good though. Now that I've accepted the challenge, I want to challenge Darius Geis, Matt Ioannidis, and Adrian Peterson. Do it.
And I accept. Ooh, I can't see. All right, there we go. Ah, man. And now I would like to challenge Paul Richardson, Trey Quinn, and Cam Sims. Good luck.
Laney Walker. Good luck, guys. Whoa!
A little crazy slimier.
Yeah.
Well, Nick can make your wish come true if you're the grand prize winner of the Nick Takes Over Your School sweepstakes. For you enter now. The Nick Takes Over Your School sweepstakes is brought to you by Nickelodeon.
And get this rolling.
Do it.
That was way too much.
Sorry. It's Leisha.
I don't remember no stupid leash. I can't breathe.
I'm sorry. Are you okay?
You suffocated me.
What's up, y'all? We're back again with another video.
That was so much fun.
Now
you have to leave it on. You can't wipe it off. Just wipe it from your eyes. It was Popeyes.
Oh, bro, I didn't know that too.
Who is that? Who is that? My answer. Oh, I didn't even write it down. Sorry. I said speaking in public. Bronchitis is not an allergy.
It's not.
They offers from Duke, UCLA.
You good?
Smack you with
God, he wasn't paying no.
Then she said shit.
Now Diamond gets a pirate quake.
Wait for this banger right here. I think that's good. My eyes. Bro. He literally attempted something that's impossible. Come on, man. It smells good, don't it? God dang, I bought again. He turned his head.
What are you doing?
No, I got him. I got him.
How many had?
10. Bill Russell had 11 rings in the NBA.
Oh, there is. Everyone look at Dylan. 1, 2.
Wait. Let me do it. Let me get it. No, I got Brad. It's a bet. Wait, one person still didn't get it. One person still didn't do it. She's ready.
Hold on, one more. Little extra point. Let it go to the floss. Floss it out, Juju. Floss it out. Hey! Give it up. Kids Choice Sports 2016. Get ready to play the Nickelodeon.
DiVincenzo and Josh Hart.
Where's the towel?
Give her a towel.
You gotta wet it. You gotta wet it.